Hello friends, welcome to our channel Out of Box Tutorial. So in the last video we saw how to use for loop, its syntax, and also learn the difference between endl and forward slash n. So in this video we will learn how we can use for loop for displaying multiplication table for any number up to any multiplier. So problem statement to display the multiplication table for any number, and we want in this format. So let's get started. So for that we need our standard input output functions, string iostream, and we need to include console inputs, that is conio console outputs. So that is conio.h, and we need our main function void main, enter, and clearing user screen clscr for that we will use. And see, here we want two integers, that is one will be accepting the value for a number we want multiplication table, and the other will be used for incrementation. So for incrementation we will use I, and for any number user defined, so that will be n, and enter. So we'll ask user to input value for n, so enter value for n, so for which user want table, so that will be value of n, so enter. And now we will initialize for loop. So for that initializations, see here we want table from 1 to, let's say, 15. So I will be defined from, so we want table from 1, so I will be defined initialized to 1 and terminating that sentence. And we want table up to, let's say, 15, so I will be less than equal to 15. And see, in every step I is increasing, that is this multiplier. So here it is 2, in others, in next step it will be 3, so I is increasing, so that will be I plus plus, and enter. So statement for loop, so that will be cout, and we want in this format. So see, this is here 12 is an user defined, so that will be n, and we want multiplication sign, so that will be this. And see, here 2 is nothing but I, which is always incrementing, so that will be I, and is equal to sign. And see, here 24 is the result when we multiply 12 to 2, so that is nothing but n multiplied by I. And endl, as we want all our outputs, and enter. Getting output screen ready, and okay, so let's run this. So here we initialize I to 1, and we want to multiply 15. So okay, so let's see, we want table for 17, so enter. So see, table of 17 from 1 to multiply 15, so that's it, and it's very easy. So with the help of this you can easily find table up to any multiplier of any number. So thanks for watching. Hope you learned something new, and that's it.